Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the 18th episode of Gyani Sharma ji. Today I just selected the sectoral review of power. Within power I want to focus only on renewable energy because I have started investing in some of the companies in which are related to renewable energy. So I just wanted to do brief sectoral review before we will discuss about the stocks that I have invested. So the stocks review we will do in the next session. So if you look at the the India as an economy is growing at a very fast rate. All of us know that, and a couple of years we have witnessed that capacity utilization, which was one of the lowest, if you take a 10-year average, which was actually trailing compared to most of the economies, now started picking up, and definitely which will have an impact on the power demand. And then we have seen that rural electrification and the urban demand which is going up is also going to have a very big impact on the consumption side, on the demand side of the power. Whereas the installed capacity, if you look at total power generation, India as a nation is generating 1,452 billion units, which is only growing at 4.75%, and the demand is growing at a much faster pace. If you look at the installed capacity today, thermal is at around 240.44 gigawatts, renewable is at around 135.12 gigawatts, nuclear is at around 7.48 gigawatts. So there is a huge untapped potential in especially in renewable energy space, I believe. And if you look at exploitable from the exploitable sources, we have around 900 gigawatt potential, and from the installed sources, the additional 450 gigawatts of the potential is there, which means there is which results in a investment of around USD $221 billion by 2030, and renewable energy will contribute to around 50% of India's power generation. And if you look at, and we are in the right, when I am giving this number, we are in the right direction, because if you look at the growth in the installed capacity in renewable energy, it is growing at the rate of around 15.4%. And I am talking about the compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, of 15.4%. I have taken, of course, from FY16 to FY23, one of the fastest growth, and definitely this is a very good factor for one who is looking at investing in the renewable energy as related companies. And if you look at India ranks fourth worldwide in terms of installed capacity in the renewable energy, and third globally in terms of renewable energy investments. And with the $221 billion of investment, I don't think, definitely the ranking is going to improve, and maybe we may be number one or number two in terms of renewable energy, both in terms of installed capacity as well as the global investments in renewable energy space. So there's a huge potential, huge untapped potential, huge investment opportunity, additional investment which is going to come to this sector. Thereby, the existing companies which are in this sector, and because they are the first movers and they are already there, they have their everything. These companies may really get hugely benefited, and definitely it's a for a long-term investor, this is a very good opportunity. And I thought it's a right time to invest from a very long-term perspective, the right time to start investing on a systematic basis, especially in companies related to renewable energy. Dosto, I am very sure that all of us, especially India, as a nation, we are progressing in terms of everything. We are, as an economy also, we are growing growth rate. We are at the our ranking is improving. and especially in renewable energy, I see there is huge potential when we are growing as an economy, and if there is a subsector which is going to grow at a much faster pace with huge investment potential, I think one should not ignore this sector and ensure that you are invested into this sector. That's why I decided, let me start investing into the sector in a staggered basis with some lump sum investment. Thank you, thanks a lot. बने रहिए.